Today, we're diving into the Sporfit 2-in-1 folding treadmill, a versatile fitness machine designed for both jogging and under-desk use. The foldable design makes it a convenient addition to any home or office space, addressing the challenges of a sedentary lifestyle. Let's talk about its 2-in-1 functionality. For joggers, the speed range of 1 to 4 km/h provides a comfortable experience, while running enthusiasts can push it up to 12 km/h. The convenience of adjusting speed using the remote control enhances the overall user experience. One standout feature is its silent design. The strong steel frame and multi-layer shield effectively reduce vibration and noise, ensuring a quieter and safer running session. With a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds, it caters to a broad audience, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned runners alike. The wide non-slip running belt, composed of high-quality 5-layer soft material, adds an extra layer of safety. It not only minimizes the risk of slipping but also provides excellent cushioning for the knees, protecting muscles and joints during workouts. The LED display is multifunctional, showing essential workout information like time, speed, calories burned, and distance. This treadmill is not just about functionality, it also comes with a Bluetooth speaker for added entertainment during workouts. Setting it up is a breeze, no tools required. Just open the package, and you're good to go. Plus, its easy folding mechanism allows you to store it conveniently without taking up much space. Keep in mind that you need to remove the handle before folding. In conclusion, the Sporfit 2-in-1 folding treadmill combines practicality and performance. Whether you're looking to stay active at home or want a discreet under-desk option for the office, this treadmill has you covered. It's a portable fitness solution that doesn't compromise on features, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a convenient way to stay fit in their busy lives. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.